Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to quickly convert your PNG file into a PDF file. Here you can type PNG to PDF converter online. Here you will find out different online tools. You need to select the image. So let me go here and select one of the image, this one, and after that you need to select the page orientation, landscape, portrait, this one, and then here you can select the page size. After that you can add some margin, and here you can select one of the option, small, big. So these are the options for the margin, that is gap. After that click here convert PDF. Now you can export this file into your laptop, and here you can see it is converted into PDF format.